Hey guys, it is Sunday afternoon. I just finished filming the everyday makeup vlog that you guys will see later this week. So I've just been editing that and just hanging out since quarantine happened for basically the past month and a half. Weekends have felt super weird, especially days like today where it's just super rainy. Can't go outside to go on a walk. Obviously, you can't go to stores or go out to a bar or restaurant or coffee shop or anything. So I have just been doing more kind of YouTube, Instagram sort of like work on the weekends. I also, as a personal trainer, Sundays are my client program days, so I send out programs to my personal training clients on those days. If that's something that you're interested in, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will be happy to hook you up with the Google form to get more information about my personal training. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to leave the Google form down below. That's easier. And feel free to fill it out if you are interested in that. But anyway, so on Sundays, I do my client programs. I tend to just hang out, watch TV. I honestly feel like I have watched all of the Netflix and Hulu and HBO and YouTube TV and Stars and Disney Plus and Showtime that I could possibly watch. So if you guys have TV show recommendations, also would so appreciate it if you would leave those down below, because I feel like I just feel like there's nothing to watch anymore. I feel like I've watched everything. We watched Billions up to date. We watched High Maintenance. We watched Westworld. Game of Thrones a long time ago. I've done, I also really like old 90s and early 2000s TV shows. So Frasier, Cheers, Friends, Seinfeld. Currently kind of watching Seinfeld. But yeah, I've just been super bored. We don't really have the space to do a puzzle or anything like that. Maybe some board games or something. Regardless, I am just feeling really ready to be back into my normal routine, but I don't know when that's going to happen. So just trying to make the best of it, trying to take this time to put out more content and just be grateful for the time that I am getting now to put more effort into YouTube and Instagram. I do have a full-time 9-to-5 in addition to personal training, my Instagram, and my YouTube. I work in marketing. So yeah. Anyway, just wanted to hop on here real fast and talk to you guys for a bit. We'll try to film a little bit more of my day today, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next clip. Oh my goodness, you guys, my neighborhood Starbucks is open again. I'm so happy. That's so good to see. They're open for mobile orders only, of course. But all any restaurant is open for right now. But it's definitely good and an encouraging sign to see that the Starbucks in my neighborhood is back in business.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you're still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind.
Good morning, guys. I just finished up my shoulder and abs workout. Still out of breath, but as you can probably hear, I am making coffee there behind me, and then I'm gonna get to work.
You know that I don't wanna feel this way again, so let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
So there is a lot of construction going on outside my window, so I apologize if you can hear it, and for my baby hairs because they are showing up in full force today. But it is now mid-afternoon. I just finished filming the Balance Athletica Waves try-on video of the two sets that I got from this collection. I got the blue tone set, which is Saltwater and Lagoon, and the brown tone set, which is Shore and Cliff. So that try-on will be up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.